We've got an equation that has already been solved. Our job is to put in the reasons for each step. All right, we're gonna always start off with a given equation. So let's just put in the reason here that this is given. Now comparing this line to this line, the only difference I see is this add 9 here and here. We have a property that says addition property of equality, meaning whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. I can add the same number. So I'm going to select here that first property. Now to move from this line to this line, they actually did the addition. Negative 9 plus 9 is nothing, leaving me with x over 2, and negative 5 plus 9 is 4. So we're just simplifying. Okay, so we're gonna choose number 5, which is simplifying. Now let's take a look at how does this line look different from this line. I have a multiply by 2 on both sides. So the multiplication by 2 on both sides, we're using the multiplication property of equality. So let's choose number 3. Okay, and then finally, they actually do the multiplication. The 2 and this 2 cancel, and 4 times 2 is 8. So if we performed the multiplication, we are just simplifying. So again, we're gonna have reason number 5, simplifying. Okay, let's do just one more quickly. Okay, we've already started off with our given equation. And they have decided, we kind of had two options to be honest. Sometimes you might see negative 6u minus 30, and if we saw that, that would be the distributive property. But they decided to divide both sides by negative 6. Okay, so how the top line changed from here to here, we see a divide by negative 6, so we're gonna pick the division property of equality, number 4. Then they actually did the division. This negative 6 got rid of this negative 6, so I'm left with u plus 5. And then here, 24 divided by negative 6 is negative 4. So we have simplified, which is number 5, reason number 5. Looking to see how this line and this line are different. We see a minus 5 and a minus 5. So seeing the minus 5 on both sides, that is the subtraction property of equality. So that is number 2. And then after that, they've simplified. 5 minus 5 is nothing, so we're left with u. And then negative 4 minus 5 is negative 9. So that step is back to simplifying. Badum.